Sometimes our compound inequalities will come in a little bit of a different form. Rather than writing two separate inequalities and including the word and in between, sometimes I'll omit the and they'll be combined together. And so this is implied to be a compound inequality. And so we're going to solve it like we're treating it as three separate sections all together a little bit. So my goal is to isolate x. So x is by itself in this particular term. So let's subtract 1 from everywhere. I'll subtract a 1 here, a 1 there, and a 1 there. It's kind of like I'm basically solving two equations at the same time, or two inequalities at the same time. Subtract 1, that's a -4, 2x, and gives me a 2. To continue to isolate x, I'll do the multiplication process. Here I'm going to multiply everything through by a 1/2, or divide by 2, the same thing. So I have a -2 is less than x, which is less than or equal to 1. So there's my solution set. All x's are true that are between 2 and -1. Let's write that out. I can write it out in set builder, which is all x such that x, well, such that x is this. Set builder notation, interval notation. All my solutions are between -2, soft bracket, and 1, hard bracket. And I can also write the solutions graphically. So I have -2, and I have 1, and all my solutions in between.